Hello guys, kain tayo. So, dinner ko na po, ito na time. So, I have, what's this? I have the Caesar salad here. And this is the shrimp spaghetti, no? So, here. Sobrang dami, hindi ko naman kayanin to ubusin lahat. And of course, I have my fresh juice. This is the, what's this? Lemon juice with mint. So, ito po yun guys. Kain po tayo and hope na ang lahat ay nasa maayos, no? So, let's try this thing. So tasty. Ayan. So, ito talaga yung favorite ko, no? Mga pasta and salad. So, thank you for watching.